Banerjeeolis. Hello guys, good morning from Banerjeeolis Pizzeria, and as well as I think you know me already. This is from Let's Cook and Tour. Myself Sagar Banerjee, and I have my co-worker and co-chef Mr. Surajit, and I have other guys are here. They are also working. Rahul. So what we're gonna do today? Today we are making Italian soup, which is specially we provide in wedding time. Okay. So for that we have to make special Italian chicken meatballs. My co-worker and co-chef is already started the process. So always recipe is a little secret, so I'm not sharing the whole recipe, but also we will show you the process, right? So here we have from Italy Parmesan cheese and also parsley, different herbs and oregano, and we'll be having using butter for making it soften a little bit. In Italy, especially, they will make the meatballs with pork, but here we are using chicken because everyone doesn't like pork. So anyway, Surajit is going to show you the process of mixing. First, he will be putting the dry mixing. First, we'll do the dry mixing, and then we'll be mixing with the wet materials or like watery material like chicken keema and whatever holds water, right? So this is Chef Surajit will going to take care of it. Okay, so we are mixing the dry ingredients first, as he is preparing. The chef is preparing all the dry ingredients, and then we'll give a quick mix with our silicone spatula. Right? Okay. Very nice, very nice. Yes, it's gonna be really important. All the ingredients already measured by Chef Surajit. So he is just doing it behind the scene. You have to work so that you are prepared. This is called in France. It's called mise en place. Means preparation time. So preparation already been done. So this is from Banerjeeolis kitchen. You are going to see live sometime when we doing it. So now we have all the dry ingredients. Now what are you gonna do? At the same time, he is brushing the pan so that you can just start. You have to wash your hand properly before making the meatballs. Otherwise, the meatball will taste salty because your hand will be sweaty, you know. So try make sure that you will be drying your hands like the chef that he is doing. So it's a quick mix. Now we'll be dropping our eggs. Make sure the egg shells should not go inside of that. Now the wet ingredients came in, and the last would be the chicken. So the chicken. Try as much as water just drain out as much as possible so that it just bind together all together very nicely, right? You put olive oil. So especially Italian chicken meatballs is a big portion, big size balls. tennis ball, that will not look good. So therefore, what we're gonna do, we will use small marble size balls. Like you have in your childhood, if you played some marble, then you will understand that just a tiny like 5 gram, 3 gram, smaller than that, like probably quarter of that. Okay, so the smaller size, no, half that. The soup will go with some sort of bread. So today we thought of giving focaccia, which is in Indian style we will call focaccia or focaccia. So the top of the bread is very nice, sweet and sour taste, and the top of the bread will be putting herbs as well as we will be putting some vegetables, thin sliced vegetables to give some color, and the herbs for the aroma. So for that, I'm just chopping it up. It is a hot sauce, so don't put so much. Like for the Italian wedding soup, all the preparations are here. The chopped celery, carrot, leeks, onion. It is such a flavorful and hearty soup that once you have it, it's just you get delighted. We are using extra virgin olive oil. We are making the soup for 35 people. Very less amount of the salt because of stock and other things that because everything have its own taste and sizzling. All has to combine together. So much colorful here inside. Very less amount of the salt because of stock and other things that because everything have its own taste and sizzling. All has to combine together. Always use hot water for making soup because it is not going to the temperature goes down when you are cooking, and the cooking timing will get reduced as well. Thank you. Time to check out the balls, and it is looking beautiful. Focaccia inside. 8 minutes just before serving, we'll be putting our pasta. Not bad. এরকম কাটো, ঠিক আছে? very healthy soup. Spinach and chicken meatballs, so much of protein is there. So this is a hearty soup. So when you have it, especially in the cold season and the wedding season, you serve this, and really enjoyable soup. So have it and be delighted. Come to Banerjeeolis.